Good afternoon. Today's topic of discussion is going to be a quick overview, or a table of contents, if you will, of the Snyder Group's tools and information that we put out there to try to help the consumers keep a pulse on the market, to stay one step ahead of what the average Joe is thinking, seeing, and hearing about what's going on in the real estate market. I'm Dale Snyder with the Snyder Group, Team-Driven Real Estate here at Keller Williams Realty in Las Vegas, Nevada. So excited to share this information with you, and hope that you find massive value in it, because we put a lot of effort into this to try to keep you educated and informed. So let's start with the biggest thing in the market right now that people want to know. What's my home worth, right? With prices going up and now inventory going up, and talk about sales going down and prices stabilizing, kind of like, what's my home worth? What should I do, if anything? And a lot of what we're finding out from our clients is they just want to know. They have no interest in selling. They just are curious of what their most valuable asset is worth. So we have a tool called the Market Snapshot, where you can simply go to whatsmyhomeworthlv.com. You can click on that here on the screen to go to that specific website. When you register for this, one of the other awesome features is you're going to get a custom emailed home evaluation from us. So we're going to send you some great information. You'll be getting it about once a month, once every couple of months, once a quarter, just to help you keep a pulse on things, not necessarily to try to sell your home, unless that's what you want to do, because that's what we do. So you can also watch a screen capture of how the Market Snapshot tool functions. You can click on that here to watch that video. It's a really cool tool. In addition to that, we have some websites that I'd like to go over real quickly with you. We have, first and foremost, is going to be teamdrivenrealestate.com. As some of you may know, we are a team. We want to make sure that we resonate that, and that the consumer understands that when they work with our group. DaleSnyder.net is still active, but we have a new site that's going to be the platform for all of our new content, as well as our search functionality for consumers looking to search for homes. So if you go to search.teamdrivenrealestate.com, that's up here on the screen, you'll be able to search all of the homes in the Las Vegas area. And most importantly here, I get it, I understand, you go to Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, these other sites, but the most important thing to know is when you're searching our IDX, you have the same capabilities as a real estate agent. You're going to know exactly what's for sale. You're not going to be looking at stuff that's sold 3 months ago, or that's in contract now and you don't even know about it, that it was already sold. So if you go to the search.teamdrivenrealestate.com, you're going to have access at the same level agents have access. In addition, a few other sites that we're super excited about, because these are niche-specific neighborhood sites. We cover the whole valley, but we also have agents that specialize in different areas specifically, one of which is the 89138 zip code. The website is summerlinwestliving.com. You can click here to view the site. The great thing about it is you can see all the homes for sale in that zip code, all of them currently for rent. Because even myself, being a realtor, I'll drive into my subdivision and I'll see a for sale sign that goes up, and I'm curious. I just want to know what that home is listed for, right? But I don't want to take the time to log into a site, or you can go to Zillow or something, but it may not be active or live on there yet. You can go to summerlinwestliving.com and just quickly scroll through all the homes for sale, and it's going to show up. Also, there's going to be a lot of restaurant reviews, and we're adding more and more daily. So make sure to check that out or share it with others that have an interest in that zip code. In addition to that, SummerlinSouthLiving.com will be done in the next 30 days. We're going to have GreenValleyLiving.com. We're going to have HighRiseLiving.com. There's several. Well, the URL might be a little different on that one, but we have several niche sites to try to help the consumers keep a pulse on what's going on in the specific areas of interest, trying to make it as user-friendly as possible, and where you don't have to reach out to a real estate agent until you're ready to pull the trigger, ready to buy or sell. Otherwise, we get it. You're just looking to do research on your own, and we want to protect your privacy. In addition to the websites, we also send out many newsletters. These are email newsletters. The most important thing with this is to understand is, we have partnered with the statistics and mathematics department at UNLV to make sure that we're compiling the most accurate and forward-thinking data, so you can keep a pulse on the trends in the market, not just on, hey, what happened last month, like where are things going. So if you're receiving this via email, you're already receiving our monthly general email newsletter. If you're finding this on YouTube, just simply reply and say, add me to your newsletter, the general newsletter. So in addition to the general newsletter, we have the luxury newsletter that specifically talks about the luxury market nationally and locally, the high-rise market nationally and locally, the investor market, and in that you get the investor toolkit, which has a ton of data and information, because investors are always trying to look at data and information so you can make the most informed, educated investment decisions. Our Summerlin West newsletter, Summerlin South newsletter, so you can simply reply to this email and say, add me to luxury, high-rise, investor, Summerlin, or general, whatever newsletters you like to be part of. But we're trying to just get great information out to you. Okay, so on to social media. Our YouTube channel is where we put all of our videos so you can access them readily, and you'll get notifications when we upload a new one. So if you go into YouTube and just put in the search function Dale Snyder 1 and subscribe, you'll be getting all of our newest videos the second we put them out to the general public. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, you can just click right there to subscribe. In addition, our Facebook page, our business page, is Snyder Group LV. We're always putting out information there, stuff on open houses, video content, funny captions, just a variety of stuff. So be sure to like our Facebook page. And finally, in closing here, we have also, with the distressed inventory still here and short sales still in the marketplace, we have been specializing in helping homeowners since 2007 with short sales. So we've obviously got a lot of experience with that and have attorneys at your disposal to help you make the most informed decision. You can find out more about that if you go to shortsalelv.teamdrivenrealestate.com or simply click here, so you can stay up to date and informed on all of the changes with short sales and the potential exposure. This is Dale Snyder with the Snyder Group, Team Driven Real Estate here at Keller Williams Realty in Las Vegas, Nevada. We hope that you find value in this information. As always, our goal is to keep you educated on what's going on in the market, so you have a pulse on what's going on, so you can make the most informed decision, whether it's today, 5 years, or 10 years. We look forward to the opportunity to earn your business when that time comes. Have a fantastic day.